In this guide, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page. So the first thing you want to do is select the menu icon in the bottom right corner, and then you want to scroll down and look for pages. Now for me it's at the top, but you might have to scroll down and select see more to find it. And when you do find it, simply tap on it. Then what you want to do is select create in the top left corner, and you want to select get started at the bottom. Now here's where you want to input your business's page name. This can also be for fan pages and more. So once you put in your page name, select next at the bottom, and then you have to categorize your page based on what it's on. So in my example, it's going to be gaming related, but feel free to type in whatever you'd want in the search bar and select the most relevant tags for your page. Then what you want to do is select create at the bottom, then continue to follow the prompts on screen to describe what your page is about, as well as contact info and customizing it. And in order to switch between your Facebook page and your main Facebook account, simply select your profile picture in the bottom right corner, and then if you have a look at the top, you should see your Facebook page profile picture, and you just want to tap on it to swap over. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.